Good morning, everybody. We are live from Vegas. I think we're set. Let me see something on it. Today is the 26th. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Aha, I knew we didn't have the tags. How's everybody been? How's y'all weekends been? Oh, I almost put down on Georgia. That's funny. All right, I think we're all set on YouTube. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but if not, I'm probably going to switch over to the microphone anyways. Um, let's see. We need to get TikTok up and running, but let me make sure on YouTube first. Chances. 4:30 to 5:30 is correct. Hello, what in the world are you doing up? Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, Mike Lewinsky. What's up, Glow? Good morning, Barry. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Kelly. Why are you guys up too early? Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan. Good weekend so far. Weekend so far? It's Monday. Even I don't get an extra day, I don't think. Oh, what's up, Mike? Thank you for that feedback. Let me get TikTok rolling here. All right, we're live on TikTok, YouTube, and Twitch, I think. Yeah, we're live on TikTok and YouTube. Yay. All right. Let's get this up. Let's get where the hell is the chat open? There we go. This up. Good morning, Leon. All right. Let's see. Let's start off with this disclaimer business. Trademark issued. I just love this part of it, so we'll zoom in a little bit on this. There we go. Trademark issued coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading issued by my wife for the safety trade system. Again, there is a patent pending, which is legal also. NDA protected also. We are not financial advisors. Trade only demo. I'm just a social media influencer with a cool store. We only trade. Oh, speaking of which, we actually have our arrows back. Yay. Boy, you missed the drawing. When you don't have it, you miss it. We only trade the green up arrow and the red down arrow. And that's it. So please type yes if you understand these few things. And then we're gonna go check our stuff right here. Oh, it's all green. Oh, that's so cute. So it turned red overnight. I saw it did. I don't know how low it got. I wonder if anyone paid attention. We get to the 3-minute blue line. What's up, Trade Gun? Good morning, Trade Gun. Good morning, Mike Moyan. Thanks for saying yes over there. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Thank you for inviting. Good morning, but I don't remember. I don't invite anyone. I don't know what that means. Thank you for the yeses. Guerrillino 26. How about that? Cool. Guarolino 26. Hope I say his name right. Good morning, Guarolino. Thank you for saying yes. Kelly, Barry. Good morning, Barry. Good morning, Nathan. Chloe, go back to sleep. Bright morning to you, Hayden. All right. So let's see. I wonder how low it got. Anyone pay attention? I'm sure it turned right on positive. Let's see how far it got. Good morning, Manula. All right. Let's take a look if there's any free money on our indices for everybody here. So touch 15 seconds. Sell stop US 30. Let it 15-second sell stop to the blue line. NAS negative. NAS to the towards the 10-second blue line. Gee whiz, this is a strong up right here. Super short term. Play any, oh, there it is. Play any US 30 NAS SPX sell stops towards their 15-second, no, towards US 30's 15-second blue line. These are more for show. It's very hard to trade these small time frames, but you know, some people like that shit. I liken to this trading these time frames to randomly playing slots and hoping for the best. No, I should talk about this for Brett. What the hell time she start breakfast at, Mike? Why are very nice of you to make your daughter breakfast? I remember doing that for 20 years. Why are you making breakfast for her? Say good morning to her, by the way. Why in the world are you making breakfast? What time she go to school? Is it school like, I don't know, 7:30 in the morning or 8 or something? What time's school? Oh, we had touchdown to the it's gonna do it again, by the way. Touchdown to the US 30 15-second blue line. Buy stop 1 minute. NAS. Buy stop 1 minute. SPX. Buy stop 3 minute. US 30. Oh, hold on. Oh no, we didn't. Oh ho ho. Oh shoot, fire. Six. Yes, 7:30. Wow, you guys get up early. Chloe, you used to get up to go to school when we had kids. Chloe, you're the opposite as a dad. That's good for you. We'd have to like get to school by whatever time, say 7:30. Glow would be out of bed at like 7:15. Ain't fooling nobody. Glow was not up at no fucking 4:30 in the morning getting ready for work, getting ready for school. My ass. Not that I remember. Maybe he was. Good morning, Janet. Good morning, Manuel. Hi, Mike Mahoyhan, Trade Gun. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Glow, come on now. It was funny. The US 30, I say ricochet. I say sell stop back down to the 15-second blue line. Or play the 3-minute buy stop. NAS, buy stop, 1 minute. Plain and simple. SPX, buy stop, 1 minute. All you can do on those two at the moment. US 30 negative. I do like this going back down. Alarm was all the signal. That's a good alarm, Chloe. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Well, speaking of that, where's all my little Lucky Charms at? Shit, fire. I don't have those out. Oh, man. I'm going to go ahead and say I don't believe that's correct. I think when I first came on, it was over here, but I'll leave it here anyway. So it's fine. What are they? It doesn't matter. I'm getting with Keith this morning. I know we're firing. We have to make sure. That's funny. My alarm was the signal. I'm going to go ahead and guess we're not going to have a lot of people on at 5:30 in the morning, especially since I haven't been on the last week. Me and Bree had a great trip to Vegas. Chloe made it in 2 days. You'd be proud of us. Easily, too, by the way. Easy trip, no bad weather, no bad traffic. Thank God, no accidents. There's always a couple. My theory when you're driving, there's always a couple of chances to have accidents. But no accidents. So it was a great time. Morning, D-House. We had a great time. And then we stayed at the Strip. We can tell you now at the Bellagio. Gorgeous. Oh, the Bellagio is so pretty. I'm trying to think if we have any pictures here. We stayed there 5 nights, I think it was. Not sure on that. 4 nights, 5 nights, something like that. Just gorgeous. Let's see. Trying to see if I have any of the atrium and stuff. It's so pretty there. We were doing good gambling and then not so much. But it was extremely pretty at first. We were doing great, and then you keep gambling, and then of course you lose it all. Let's see if I can send. I don't know how many pictures you can send in an email, but and now we're finally at our Verbo. And then I think that'll do. And then These signals are going to pay for Isle Royal trip next. Nice. Yes, they will, Lord willing. I hope they do for you, my brother. Good morning, Nathan. Good morning, Roka 744. Let's see. That's the atrium at the Bellagio. Like when you first walk in, I don't know if it's called an atrium or what the fuck it is. All that shit's made out of flowers. Like that thing, air balloon thingy you see, that's a flowers. Those are flowers. So all this shit, those are made out of flowers. Really cool. That's in front of the Forum Shops. I don't know if you guys have been in. It's gorgeous. Inside they have statues glow. I don't know. Glow, you ever been in that one? But it's just gorgeous. Anyway, me and Bree stay out of pictures. And then our view from the room was fantastic too. All the rest of the pictures we have are me and Bree. We're not sharing those. Yeah, real pretty there. Gorgeous there, actually. That look pretty. Not drive that anymore. Wow, Colsa's amazing. Beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I mean, people don't understand. They think, oh, you just go there, gamble, and drink. First of all, me and Bree don't drink. Second of all, we barely gamble. I gotta admit, though, I don't want to get into it, but yeah, it was kind of funny. Bree's over there kicking fucking ass. I thought, well, I'm gonna try it. She's up $1,000 in like less than a day, less than 3 hours, 2 hours. She's up $1,000 on slot machines. Glow, by the way, on fucking regular slot machines, 1 penny slot machines. Let me be clear. And then I go ahead and throw down a grand. Well, I'll go ahead and try it. I lose all my money in about, I don't even know. Me and slots, I can hold my own on roulette. Very good actually, but it takes time and it's kind of boring. But slot machines, they just eat me up alive. Oh God, it was horrid. So I lost $1,000 within a few hours. I'm sitting right next to her. I'm like, well, surely some of her luck will run off on me, but no. And that's it. That's all good. I'm not doing anymore. Oh, we're going to the Sphere coming up. We're gonna go see one of the nature shows at the Sphere. Never been to that. Looking forward to that. Then we have there's a cute little doggy animal show. So cute. We have reservations for that this week. We go shopping. Shit. We're going out shopping so much. It's crazy. I think they have 6 Victoria's Secrets here in Vegas. Tiffany and Co. They have tons of those. You don't even want to know. So yeah, it's crazy. So much fun here. Horseback riding. All right. Anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments before I get rolling? I'm going to make out a few calls for you guys, and we're going to go into some training. Morning, Larry. What's up, buddy? Yeah, there's about 25 here and a few over there. That's fine. Everybody on YouTube, go to TikTok. Everybody on TikTok, go to YouTube, please. These signals are going to pay for higher miles. I'm going to go ahead and tag that. That's good. Yeah, yeah. Okay, we're currently, I don't know what the hell we're currently doing. We're currently looking for, it was 15-second sells to their blue lines, well, at least to the 10-second blue lines. There we go. And then 1 minute buy stops on US 30 NAS and SPX. So that's what we're looking for. Whether this happens or not, that's up to God. All right. I like how you can show the little, look at Mike Glowinski. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and get going here. I'm going to call out a few things then. Let's have some fun. Gold and Demnar Hill. See if we can make some cheap money. Sell negative. No, it's too strong. 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute buy. Let's see, 15-minute. Nope. Oh, you already should have did a 15-minute buy. Oh, gold's too far away. Yeah, you can still play this. Play any. It's going to dip though. Play any 10-second through 30-minute buy stop to this 1 hour pink line right here. Watch right up front. Goes up and touch the 15-minute blue line right here. 1 hour blue line right there. That's gold. Yeah, look at there was a 1 hour buy. I keep telling you this. 2 hour buy, 3 hour buy was 4 hour buy, filling the gap. Told you. Gold is still a buy until this is getting closer. You keep doing this buy, just like it says, 725 until this pink line on the weekly goes up to the blue. Keep doing the buys. I don't care if it's record highs. I don't care if they tell you it's reached its max. Listen to what I'm telling you, and you would literally be up on gold. Hold on, from, oh, hell no. We were in gold at 23.0. Oh, wait. Okay. That's fine. But still, 2270 to whatever the hell it is now, record high, I guess. Yeah, you'd be up over $250 an ounce. Let's just say $200 an ounce. Over $200 an ounce on gold from the times I was telling you to take this. I kept telling you, and I kept telling you. We'll take this one. Yeah, because that's easy. I forgot somebody was saying, no, just do the damn gold buys. It's going to reset once it comes up here and hits. How long do you stay in a trade till the pink gets to the blue? Or in this case, to fill in the gap, happen either or. What's up, Big D? What's up, buddy? All right, so that's your gold. Play any buy stop you can find on gold, period. Any buy stop you can find on gold. Sell stop, 15-second. Sell stop, 10-second. 10-second. Sell stop, 10-second NAS to the NAS, 10-second blue line. If you don't want to play these are very shorter term type things. Look for the buys on the 1 minute NAS, 1 minute SPX, 3 minute US 30. All right, next. Zoop, 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 zoop. Zoop, 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 zoop. All right, next. Oil. Let's see if we can get cheap money here. Oil. 5-second sell stop to the blue line on oil. It's already done it, actually. It should finish this. No, it's 5 seconds. It's too fast. 5-second sell stop oil, but then let's see if we can pull it down all the way there. I don't know. We'll come back. 15-second, no, 10-second. 5-second, 10-second towards the blue line. Oh, there it is. There's the oil hit its blue line on 5-second. It did hit it, but let me see about this 10-second here. Yeah. Any 5-second, 10-second sell stop to the US oil, 10-second blue line, at least towards it. 15-second. Let's go over here. 1 minute. Yeah. Buy in 3. Nope. buy stop on 1. I go to 15 minutes. 1 hour. Oh, there it's easy. Play any oil buy stop 5 seconds through 1 hour until this blue line is either touched or or goes to the blue line. So meaning it's going to come really, really close, or it's going to go up and over. One or the other. I think it's going to go up and over, actually. Let me see daily. Yeah, weekly. Yeah. See, it's forming its weekly now. So you're going to hold, take any buy stop you can on oil until this is great news for everybody who's fucking wanting lower gas prices. You're not about to get it. Until this pink line comes all the way up to this orange line right here. We don't have enough history on blue lines. That's what that is. And that's your monthly buy stop. Matter of fact, let's go to that shit. We can lower that down. I'm gonna put it right there. Monthly buy stop oil. Good morning, Bob. How you been, buddy? Morning, Big D again, and Larry. What's up, Larry? D man. Jacob. Had a great weekend in Vegas, Bob. We haven't even started, by the way, just so we're all clear, we haven't even started. Imagine this. We haven't even started our Vegas trip yet, and we've been 4 or 5 nights on the strip. We just now checked into the Vrbo. We're just now into Vrbo, into our rental house. Nice house. It's okay. The other house we stayed at, we couldn't get, and now this is a different one. It's nice. Very quiet. No complaints. I shouldn't be able to. Look at that daily buy stop. Told you. Look at that. ERUS daily to the blue line on 7:30. Look at that shit. Just the thing of gorgeousness. What a call out. What a signal. That's why I always let one run, because it'll flat line up here. That's what this is doing. Yeah, our vacation in Vegas is just starting today, actually. We'll be here approximately a month. We're here for Bree's birthday. It's Bree's birthday month. She's getting the whole month of Vegas for her birthday present, plus lots of other things. Love her, do anything for her. She does everything for me too. All right, let's see. 5-second sell stop. Well, that was easy. This is EURUSD. 5-second sell stop. All right, where's she going to though? Probably too late already. It looks like it's already a big one. Yep, hit 1 minute. Play any sell stop, 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 3-second, 1 minute, and chill towards the 3-minute blue line. I'm not sure on how hard that's going to fall. Yeah, it might hit the 3-minute blue line. Then look for ERUSD to turn into a 1 hour buy stop. Yeah, all you're seeing is the purple line falling here. See, this is another training moment for you. See this little dot right here? See that little dot on the hourly? See, people get confused. They think, oh, this is huge. Look at this big movement. This big movement you see right here, all these 15 seconds looks huge, It's jack fucking shit when you get to the hourly. Let me be clear. This right here, all this down that you see, that looks life-changing, right? Looks absolutely life-changing. It looks like, holy crap, how on earth isn't it even a speck? Look, I'm going to zoom this in a little bit. All this right here is a speck on the hourly. This is a EURUSD. I know you, oh, I know that. But no, you don't. Because we used to get all the time, and the haters kind of gave up on that. Look, you called to buy, and it's going down like a rock. Or is it just a speck? It's so funny to me. People over exaggerate. Well, it's a speck. It's a speck. Trust me, it's nothing. No. It's got to come back down, by the way. ERUSD has been rocketing upward as called out by the system. 1 minute. Yeah, there's nothing here. Let me see the 1 hour for you guys. Buy. ERUSD buy. Play any buy stops you can until this blue line, pink line down here comes up and touches this blue line. It's going to dip a little further because the purple line here hasn't come down enough, then it's going to hook and come up. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Larry. Morning, Bob. Morning, Jacob. All right, let's go over here. GBP, JPY. Let's see what we can find. Oh, already did it. Already did it. Already did it. Yeah, that would have been some easy money right there. I didn't see it. Can't look at everything, can we? 3 minute. 5 minute. 5 minute. 10 minute. Hold on. 5 minute, 10 minute, 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour sell. So it's not a strong one though, but GBP JPY, I would play any sells on GBP JPY, but you do what you want to do. 2 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Oh, really? Let's see what you got here, GBP JPY. 1 hour buy, stop, blue line, GBP JPY. What did it do? Where is it at? It has not. I'm going to stick with that 1 hour buy stop, by the way, GBP JPY towards its 1 hour blue line. Let me see now. Oh, 12-hour daily. This is a 12-hour ricochet, 12-hour daily sell stop to the blue line. This is a sell. This is interesting. This is a weekly. Oh, yeah. We're still just forming a bigger weekly. Okay, my bad. Weekly, monthly buy. All right. I wouldn't play any sells. There is a 7-hour, 12-hour sell stop on GBP JPY. Feel free to take that trade. The clearest day. It's good. I think it's even going to go down and touch it. Personally, matter of fact, I think it's going to do it soon. But whatever. That's GBP JPY. Moderate term. Longer term. I love this trade. I just love the daily, weekly buy. If it doesn't happen, well, you already made money on it. If it doesn't happen stronger and higher, whatever. I love this GBP JPY. But you can play that sell if you want. To be clear, you can. I'm not doing it. I'll just sit there and wait for it to drop and pick up pieces later. 10-second AUD USD. AUD USD. Nothing. 1 minute. 1 minute. Nothing. AUD USD. Will it go down to the 3 minute? Will it go down to the 3 minute? It's going to go towards it. Play any 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute sell stop towards the 3 minute blue line. I think it's going to get somewhere around here. That's where I think it's going. AUD USD after that. Yeah, I do. 1 hour. So 1 hour buy stop. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Much better play. Much better play. Love this one. Yep. Play any buy stop you can get from 15-second until the oh yeah, 1 hour buy. Love this. Yep. Oh, it just shot up after 2 hours. Yep, there it is. Yep, I love a trade. Yeah, that was a 3 hour. 4 hours isn't done yet. Fill in the gap isn't done yet. 12 hours isn't done yet. Daily, weekly. Yep, nope. How I would play this trade. Play any buy stop you can see on AUD USD until this weekly pink line I'm pointing to goes up to the blue orange line on the top of the sniper right there. I know it's a sell stop. I get that. But no, that's how I look at this trade. Because until that tells me otherwise, I mean, it doesn't look like much. But you would have made from here to here 200 pips. 200 pips on AUD USD is fucking huge money. And I can see that occur. You kind of already missed the first push, but you can do it again. It'll go back down and regroup again. USD CAD. Let's see if we can get you any free money. Nope. It's a buy on a 10-second. Oh, it just hit its 30-second. That's why. There you go. Play any buy stop you can find. 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second towards, I think, hit the 1 minute blue line of USD CAD. Nothing. 3 minute. I go to the 15 minute. Oh, it's been dipping a little. There you go. 1 hour buy. 1 hour, 4 hour. Not quite yet. Still a sell. 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 It's gonna have to arch back up again. That's why there's that short term buy. Daily. Ooh, look at that. Daily, weekly buy stop. Let me go to the weekly. Oh, still love it. Trail this down. Trail this down. Absolutely correct. I love this call. Let's see where we can get into that. Let's see. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no, no. Buy. USD CAD plating buy stops you can find. How low? Where do I want to place this after I'll say good entry? Hold on. To the 12 hour? Yeah. Yeah, it may very well probably is going to go down to that 12-hour line first. How are we going to catch this though? I don't want to tell you guys. Yeah, leave it right here. It's a little high. That's okay. Let it do its little dip right here. Let this come down. You're going to see pink and purple drop. Maybe even the blue come down with it on the weekly. Yeah, that's a nice location. I'll keep it right here. It's forming a weekly, well, daily right now. It's a daily, weekly buy, but it's going to form a weekly, monthly buy soon. So that's how I play that. Any buy stops you can find in USD CAD. XRP, baby. Gee, I wonder what that's doing. Told you. Not even going to do analysis. Take any buy stops you can on XRP. Buy, all the way up until this weekly blue line goes up and touches this pink line. That's what I'm saying. Love it. Don't care. Love it. Love it. Love it. Buy on XRP. Buy. If I'm not clear, buy on XRP. Monthly buy, weekly buy, daily buy, hourly buy. Remember, demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. Buy. If you listen to me, you'd have been at about 48 cents. I've been buying since 31 cents. I only have like 3,000, maybe. I don't know what it is these days, right? $4,000 worth of XRP. But still buy. I can't stress it enough. Buy. Good morning, Ore. Huare. God dang it. Good morning, Raider Trader. Sorry. Ethereum. Now let's see what's going on with Ethereum. I haven't seen Ethereum. Still like the buys here in the weekly. Yep. Daily. Oh, daily hit. Ooh. Hold on. Oh, okay. I thought we had a buy. Let's see. Ooh, where did it get to? Uh-huh. Larry. Yeah. Let me go down to the hyperspace here. Hold on. Buy 30-second. Yeah, it already went. 1 minute. Already hit it. 3 minute. Already hit it. 5 minute. 10-minute buy. 10-minute buy. Ethereum. 15-minute buy. Let me see the hourly. Oh, gorgeous. Love this. Love this ricochet buy. This is perfect. Ethereum, Larry, one of our members. Ethereum buy stop. To play any buy stops you can until the 30-minute blue line is hit on Ethereum, 15-second on up. Buy stop Ethereum to this. Wow, that is just gorgeous right there. Love that trade. Love it. And the 1 hour. Love it. Let me see. Yep. Love it. Nope. Love it. 4 hour stuff. This is where we're going to be challenged though. 7 hour, 12 hour. Yeah. Mm-hmm. See, it didn't pull it last time, but it didn't come down yet either. Did it? Told you they were inside of our channel. Definitely love that medium, shorter-ish to the 1 hour blue line, 30-minute blue line. Sorry, on Ethereum buy stop. The 12-hour, however, that is a ricochet 12-hour sell. Ethereum 12-hour sell back to its 12-hour blue line. I'm sorry, but I see that there. So, I mean, that 1 hour is a beautiful buy. Don't get me wrong. Take it if you like demo only, and then be prepared for that 12-hour sell. I know I said it before and it really didn't dip, but I don't think we're out of the woods on that one yet. Yeah, no, that's a 12-hour daily sell. It is. And then or just play the long game, like we bounced off those bombs. I know I was trailing it down, but that's what I did. And then you're going to see that weekly buy, weekly, monthly buy, but I don't think we're out of the woods yet. So let me be clear. Ethereum, buy stop, 30-minute to the blue line, and I believe it's going to touch it, and I believe it's going to go past it. After that, it's going to form-ish, may not hit it, but I think it's going to form a 12-hour sell stop back down to its 12-hour blue line and touching it. May not do that. That's what I think. Afterwards, and then that's when you get into the weekly buy. See your little green dot right, a red dot right there? That's your buy. So this is a weekly buy. So if you don't give a shit about the 1 hour, 30 minutes, if you don't give a shit about the 12 hours, and all you want to do is look for something longer term, buy Ethereum. Bitcoin's the exact same. Exact same. Matter of fact, I'd play any buys on the weekly Bitcoin as I could. Fill in the gaps, whatever you got to do. I'd play Bitcoin buys till this pink goes up and touches this blue and orange, or until this gap is filled in right here on the weekly. The green will go up, and then that's what that'll look like. Okay, you're welcome, Larry. Amazon, I don't give two fuck shits. It's a buy. I've been saying it since 8/8. You play any buy stop you can on Amazon, period, until you're green in the face. Buy, 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 buy. And that's it. Wow, that was fun. So let's see what we had happen up ahead. Buy stop 10 seconds. US 30. Buy stop 15-second US 30. And that's all we got. It's 3-minute buy on US 30. It was a 1-minute buy on NAS. Yeah. 1-minute buy on NAS. 1-minute buy on SPX. Can we get NAS to far around back down here? No, I can't call it yet. The sells are done. Let these just fart around till one of them comes down and touches. Can't call it. Not going to call it. All right, let's get to the basics now. Here we go. What time frame would you guys like me to? What 2 time frames? It has to be daily and 1 hour, daily and 15-minute, and that kind of thing. Or I can do 1 hour and 1 minute, 1 hour and 3 minutes, 1 hour and 5 minutes. Technically, I can do 3 minutes and 10 seconds if you want, 3 minutes and 15 seconds if you want, or we can do weekly daily. And I prefer to do weekly daily, but I'm going to go ahead and explain exactly how the system works on 2 time frames. They have to be the master time frames. Whoever says the first one or the most of the first one gets it. Let me know. What 2 time frames? Oh. I'll probably stick with NAS as my example. No one cares what I go over? Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I have no treadmill here. Of course, Bree and I walked, holy shit, did we walk? We walked 16,000 steps, I think, the first 2 days we were here. It's almost over 6 miles, over 6 miles or something. Buy stop in the money on NAS. 1 minute, 5 minute. There is no 1 minute, 5 minute. 1 minute is controlled by the hourly. And let me refresh everybody's memory here of what's controlled by whom. Here's your lower time frames. The hourly controls the 3 minute, 1 minute, and 30 second. So that's one grouping we can do. This one is the daily, controls the hourly, 30-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute, and 5-minute. 5-minute. The daily controls the weekly. So these are your options. Do you want to do a daily 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute? Or would you guys rather do the hourly 3-minute, 1 minute, 30 seconds? Or would you rather do the weekly daily? And those are the controllers. Got to make sure, Nathan and Raider Trader, that you guys are on the exact ones that you want, because that's how they're controlled through the signal service. I know it's almost weird to think that our hourly is controlled by the daily and the 5-minute is controlled by the daily, but it is. Look at the buy stop in the money on your NAS. I'm assuming it's in the money on SPX. Yep, in the money on SPX. Yep, in the money on USW. NAS is your best one though with the buy right here. Nathan says daily 15-minute. That's a good one. That's a good combination. Or a Raider Trader, are you okay with the daily 15-minute, I hope? TikTokers evidently don't care what I do. All right, so let's start off with the very, very basics. We'll do daily 15-minute, and we'll see how that works out for everybody. I can always do another over session later. This is your freedom signal indicator put by the great Keith Palmer. It's all these signals that are generated here are sent into our Discord room. The Discord room has tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and the signals are generated in there. Holy shit. There's 50 new ones. And then right here, it sends it out, and then you would go ahead and go over here and look for these. We also have signals being generated for the Almost Holy Grail, which I'm not ready to announce that yet. Where's my notepads at? Damn it. Hold on, let me send it right now. Elagio. Give me just 1 second, guys. Make about just 1 second. There we go. All right, all done. So the rooms are being generated. Almost Holy Grail is open and operational. First time Holy Grail signals are open and operational. The Holy Grail signals are now firing. Okay, nothing yet, but they are ready and reading and being ready to be fired. Nothing has been fired yet, but they are coming. Cool, Raider Trader. Thank you, Dave. Thank you. Huawei. I'm terrible. All right. So our signal service is spectacularly accurate. And how so? Because we have rules. One of the rules is the machine gun dailies are up here. They follow a certain set of rules. I'm going to explain what those rules are right now. The daily is the master. It's controlling. It's the overlord. It's the president of all these other time frames. When you say daily, it means 1 candle equals a day. When we say hourly, it means 1 candle equals an hour. 1 period is your time. 30-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute, and 5-minute. So we're going to do what's called a daily 15-minute right here. They all work the same. I'm just going to show you live how it works. So we all clear? Sevens, if you understand that the daily controls all these time frames, including the 15-minute, which is what we're going to go over. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Dog. Good morning, Dog. Good morning, Kev. Kevin Alderman. Good morning, Kev. Okay. So with that in mind, let's pop open to the charts. Let's remove this one so you don't have to see it. Oops, not that one. That one. Okay. Now, this is what we have. We're going to put the 15-minute chart on the right and the daily on the left. And then we're going to come over to here. We're going to be looking at NAS this morning, but it works on any symbol, period. Any 1,000 symbols, period. First time is always the best. I'll explain what that is in a second here. You're going to love this one. Look at this shit. Wait till you guys see how this all plays out. All right. This is, what's up, Barry? Good morning, Barry. So on the left, daily, on the right, 15 minutes. What are the daily and the 15 minutes? Supposedly, each one of these candles, so-called candles, is an hour. I'm sorry, a day. Over here, it's 15 minutes. That's all. But I say supposedly it's price action. I don't have to be candles. Actually, it's kind of silly when you say that because it's not a candle. It's just what they usually use to represent it. And I kind of think they do that to confuse everybody anyways, but whatever is what it is. All right, so what we're looking at is NAS 100. That's this thing over here. You can tell what time frame I'm on up here with the blues. So if it's blue over here, if I click over here, you'll see the daily turn to blue. You'll see the symbol is right here on NAS. So that's what we're looking at. Now, how does it look? Well, let's take a look. How does it look normally when someone would start trading? Oh, this is all, what do you see? What is all this? This is confusing. Oh, this is confusing. Well, let me simplify it for you, shall we? Literally. This is what a raw chart looks like. So let's be clear. Over here, you have nothing. Usually your chart on MetaTrader 4 starts with black and white, quote unquote, candles. But your trading view, I believe, gives you the color candles. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think they do. Doesn't matter either way, useless. There's nothing you can read from this chart. Oh, there's support and resistance bullshit. They can never explain breakouts. They can never explain when it starts to. They have nothing. There's nothing. So we all been there. This is what you start with. Okay. Well, that's what you start with over here. How do you know if it's going up, when it's going up, when it's going down? Well, this is head and shoulders. Bullshit. Oh, this is da da da. This is railroad. This is an evening star. This is a whatever bullshit. This is a W down here. You okay? This is an app. They have no idea. You can't make heads or tails out of this on a daily, on an hourly, on a 1 minute. It doesn't matter. None of it is accurate. None of it you can see. Look, it's just useless, whatever. And before people start going, oh, naming of candle patterns is real. Well, then what's this? It's a line. Oh, well, naming of lines is real. Yeah, okay. I'd rather trade off a line, actually. But anyway, none of it's accurate. Again, you can make it columns, you can make it volumes. Heikkinen, Ashy, Renko. You can make these things. The whole point is just price action. It's a movement. So in this case, this is daily. Again, remember, we're up here. Each one of these so-called candles is a day. Red in our business means down or sell. Green in our business means buy or up. So we start at these raw charts, and then we start going, holy shit, how am I supposed to make money with this? I remember this as clear as yesterday. I remember thinking, what the fuck am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to make money? And at the time, my youngest daughter still has epilepsy. Had an issue with seizures, severely bad. I was trying to find a way to make money so that they didn't have to work a third shift job because between the lamictal and their brain being too scared to go to sleep at night, they had trouble sleeping at night. The lamictal caused their insomnia and then not sleeping also. So long story short, I had to figure out a way to make money. I thought I would do trading. Not the best decision in my world at the time. Like every trade I placed was wrong and wrong and wrong and wrong and wrong. I lost $26,500 trying to play charts like this. I was like, what the fuck? I always kid around, but broke clock was right more than I was trading. I mean, I lost instantaneous. Put a trade and lost. Put a trade and lost. I mean, over and over the fuck again. I was like, what the fuck? Crazy how bad I was. But anyhow, and I said, well, maybe there's some. I went to gurus first. I thought maybe there's some other people out there, some other groups that can help me interpret these charts a little better. So I joined this one society, it was called, and I joined this one MLM, which I didn't know was an MLM. I think it was an IM Academy. I'm not getting into that. And then I joined this one lady who was teaching me how to draw support and resistance lines. The problem came in by the time we were done, there was support and resistance lines. I swear, that's one of the funnier ones. So they're like, what the hell support? What the hell's resistance? Which one's which? It was the funniest thing. I'm not kidding you. My charts were just marked up from 1 hour to daily to 5 minute. There was fucking support and resistance lines every fucking square. This isn't even enough of them. The whole screen. That's why I bring it up because it's so crazy. Every one of them was like, this is, well, what the hell is the support? What the hell is the resistance? I get an answer out of her. It was a lady. No offense to anyone, but it was just pitiful. I didn't know what the hell's going on. So I'm like, that ain't working. I was like, well, what's this up with these indicators? And there was literally probably tens of thousands of indicators to choose from. So I'm like, well, I don't know. These technicals sound important. And of course, I tried probably 70 to 80% of all indicators, most of them multiple times. And of course, none of them work. The Fibonacci retracements, no. And I tried my damnedest. Trend lines, hell no. All these awesome oscillator, yep, tried it. Bollinger Bands, tried it, and tried it 10 more times, tried it. I mean, just it's good. None of these are technicals. None of these are accurate. None of these work. I tried them all. We all did. Then I made my own. Then I had people make my own for me. Then I paid coders to make things up. Over and over and over again. Pay people. Nope. No. RSIs, no. Stochastics, no. Stochastic RSI, well, that's a no. Volume, VWAP, no. There's your volume oscillator. Jesus, bring back horrible memories. There's your VWAP. Some of you don't know what that is. No. And some more no's. So I was like, well, fuck. Surely there may be some no, don't even get into that. Double top. They don't even know when you put one of these on, it makes it, don't even ask. It's horrid. Elliott wave. Head and shoulders. And no. So anywho, yeah, there's your Doja Star. How about Doja Cat? She's about as more likely to be correct than this thing right here. You guys know who Doja Cat is. Anywho, no. Inverted hammer. Oh, this is bringing back too many bad memories. I really shouldn't look at these too closely. Okay. So yeah, none of these worked. I thought, well, son of a bitch. What should I do? How do I get this shit to fire off properly? Got to make money. Got to make sure my child can make money while they're, whatever they have to do. So eventually, I was using ERUSD versus Unishuff, by the way. I think I mentioned it a few times. I started to make the right call. And I decided, well, how can I make the right call be seen clearer for me? And since none of the indicators work, none of the gurus were helping me with shit, everything was going not the right way. I decided to go ahead and pay somebody, actually this gentleman was Andre from the Ukraine, to, to get me some kind of indicator where I can see where I saw what had happened in the right way. Okay, the Holy Grail. Thank you, Bob. So I decided, well, if I can get one of them right, and then I decided, well, how can I make sure that it's right? And then another one, of course, the great Keith Palmer, the greatest coder I've ever known or been a pleasure around. He's a good man, a great man. I consider him a friend. Is he decided to, we color coded them, made them good. So we took from the early beginnings, we were able to make, I gotta remember that. This really changes a lot of things. We were able to make all these other indicators pop up. And what was that? So let's take a look. We had a column. Where you guys want to be right here. Okay. So what happened? So between these two, on your left again is your daily, and on the right is 15-minute. So what on earth was the first part of the system we developed? And the very, very first part of the system that we developed was this right here. Was this right here. I was able to, through all my years of losing, was able to get these little things coded and color coded. So green went up, red went down. And then we were able to combine it with these little Bach things over the years. And then the color coded change. At any rate, so I was able to combine a lot of these indicators into one system. And it came about because I was using ERUSD against Unisys, and they would usually trade opposite, especially on the higher times. Right now we're on 15-minute daily. I would never trade it like that. I would be trading like 1 hours against each other's or 4 hours against each other's or dailies. But since we're using the 15-minute daily, I'm going to give you an example of how this would work in our system right now. So what does the system consist of? It consists of 3 real direction bars. This right here are individual indicators, 1 on the top, 2 and 3. The bullshit detector, which I love because it's actually trademarked that way, the BS detector. Anyway, it tells us that it wasn't really going to go down. This is a lie. This is bullshit. So it actually picks up on the market things. So it all comes with all this. Then it comes with the BOK indicator, the Bach indicator. Stands for Brianna, Lydia, Katie, and Kevin. Literally, the bullshit detector, the real direction bars are trademarked. And they're so unique. Oh, no, this is just, no, it isn't. The BOK indicator, you don't have a clue of what that is. And then what? And then you come up over here. It also includes this blue line. And no, you can't, it's just magical. Just remember that the blue line is magnetic and magical. No one else uses it. This is what's called our goal. This is where things are trading to. Oh, thank you, Leon. Leon's always the dedicated one. Leon's so busy about making money, he don't give 2 shits about this stuff. No, he's probably learning, but anyway. But yeah, so this is the blue line on your price action is your goal. It's literally your goal. It's your goal to okay, they're really starting to know what I mean. Okay, this is where price goes to. So when we call a buy stop, it'll go to the blue line, and we're trading to the blue line. So this is this is where everything is heading towards, this blue line. All this is an EMA, but it is a very special EMA. Also included in the core system, you get your color changing line right here, I might add. This EMA, and this orange EMA. I'm going to explain what all these things do. Of course, we do have color changing candles also. So I'm going to explain how these all work together. Now, let's go back over here. Move this way. This down over here. Now look. We have, there we go. That's nice. Easy. We have 15-minute on the right again, 1 hour on the left. And this is everything that you're going to see. So in our business, everyone's trying to predict the future. Unfortunately, none of the indicators can, the normal ones, because they lag. In our business, everyone's trying to know, is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Let's do the news. Let's do this. They're clueless of what's happening. They don't understand anything of what's transpiring. And they're guessing at best. Let me delete that one here too. Hold on 1 second. Here we go. So, with all the gurus and all the indicators prior to the safety trade kind of don't work, and by kind I mean miss 99% of the time, then exactly what works? Well, when I set out, I was trying to find out a system that's nice and easy for you all to read. So we have green, 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 red. The Bach is green, green. You can clearly see the candles right here are green. They actually change colors right here. Watch the actual little candles, green. And then we have our line that's green right here, and so on. So let's go over the rules of what you're watching, what you're actually physically seeing right now. All right. So this is price action Wednesday, June the 24th at 10:30 Forex time. That's Athens, UTC +3. So you can go back to your charts. It's exactly what it looks like then. That's exactly what it'll look like in the future. Some of you don't understand the concept, but most all of the indicators that are sold out there repaint. It's called they retrace. It's called they're cheating. It's called they move. None of mine do that. This will look like this yesterday, today, a year from now, 10 years from now, if you can get back with historical data, you'll see it's the exact same setup. Exactly the same, never changing. Okay. So everyone following how we got to this point? Myself needed to do it for my child, kept at it until I did. Traded it based off the ERUSD USF opposite. Had one coder do it, had Keith, the great Keith Palmer, make it colorized for us that you guys see currently. 7s for yes, you understand it, or yes for yes, you understand it. And then I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys. And yes, you understand other indicators fail 99%. Yes, you understand that basically, yeah. Other gurus, good luck trying that. Thank you, BCM. Good morning, Jen Holmes. Good morning, Rich. Let's make sure we have TikTok. YouTube rolled down on that. Thank you, Kelly. All right. So here we sit. We have the white is the future. Your daily is on the left. Your 15 minutes is on the right. This is what it looks like. You can't see the future, but the system can with near 100% accuracy. Morning, Jen. This is what we're looking at. Now, how does this all play together? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. This one here, we're going to grab this one over here. All right. Simply put, first thing we have in our system is that when the candles change color, they are extremely accurate on their own. Higher time frame especially. I don't consider 15 minutes necessarily higher. I consider 1 hour higher and above. But nonetheless. Thank you, Barry. Thank you, Ray. Thank you, Mike. What do I mean? These little candles change color. You can trade these on their own. They're that accurate. They go from red like they are right here to green. See them? So the candles alone are accurate. We also have something called our logo. What is our logo? This is our logo. Green up on the back of the bowl, red down. Okay, that's interesting. We also have the orange crossing up and over as part of our buys. I'll explain all these. And then we have the green line. Yep. And then we have the box being green. Yep. And then we have the green, 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 red pattern right here. Yep. So I'm just going to start with the basic. Let's just start with the logo. I'll show you what it is again. The logo, in this case, we're going to be looking for, by the way, setup. It starts low on the green, comes up, hooks, and comes over. I'll show you what that looks like right here. Badly drawn, I might add, but nonetheless. Price starts underneath, comes up. Told by the bullshit detector to come down, hooks. And then this is what you can't see right here, but will transpire. So this is the very first thing right here. The little logo is so nice, very. Then if you want, you can see underneath this upward sloping logo right here, you're going to see the colors change. So the colors change to green. That's the second thing you're going to notice. You're going to notice in this particular case, our line went from red down here to green. So let's take a look. We'll write these down for you, don't worry. Let's go over here. Let's go over to here. Let's go over to here. This is for a buy stop. And then let me get this one. Number one, I would look for the logo. Number two, and I'll go over all these again for you. Candles, green. Number three, green. Well, I should just call it color line. Color line, green. Four, and I'll show you what that is. It's an EMA. Four, orange line above. If I can spell above. Other two lines. Five. This is a step-by-step what you guys look for logically to make sure that you're in a buy stop. If any one of these aren't this, I wouldn't take the trade. Block lines. Right. And then of course our BS red. Okay, didn't spell any of that right. Let's try that again. BS red and real direction bars. Don't worry, I'll explain it again. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yep, we're gonna fill in the gap too. All right, so let's take a look at some of these in order. All right, so the logo, as just explained to you, it's this green thing right here. We get it from the fact that it's on the back of our bull. This happens to be the green up arrow, could be red down, doesn't matter either or. This is on the 15-minute chart. There is a logo. Don't worry, we'll get to the daily in a second. When it's like this, you cannot take a sell if it's a buy logo. So to be exact to you guys, I've just increased your chances of winning by, I think it's 100%. Anyone know the real numbers on this? Well, I know it's better than 50% because you took away a possibility of a sell right here. You can't do a sell when you see the 15-minute logo forming. So whatever the fucking real number is on that, it's a staggering amount. So you can't take a sell if there is an up logo. Also, if the candles change to green, you can't take a sell. Also, and let me show you this color line. So cute. It's right here. See how it was red right here? And then it turned to green. If this color changing line is green, you can't take a sell. Another little thing, let me show you right here. If this orange EMA right here is above the yellow and the green, you can't take the sell. If the BAC is green, both of these little green lines right here are green, you can't do a sell. If there is the bullshit detector red with the real direction bars green, 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 you can't take a sell. How valuable is that to know that you can't take a sell if this is happening? A little valuable or a lot valuable? I'll wait for your answers. This isn't rhetorical. I'll wait right here. And I understand it's like 6 a.m. Everybody's tired. Oh shit, we're going on 7. Fuck. I was gonna try to go back to sleep so I can get some rest today, but maybe not. Rich OBX says, yeah, I agree with Rich. 1000%. Yeah, give it a percentage. I agree with Rich. Literally, exceptionally excellent that these are screaming at you. You can't take a sell on the 15-minute daily buy stop. You can't do it. Now, can you do a sell in between that? You go down to 10. Of course you could. That's not what we're saying. You cannot take a sell on a 15-minute chart if this is what this looks like. A lot, says Grant. Well, thank you, Grant. No one else wants to answer. All right, probably everyone else is snoring. But it is. This is extremely important to know that it literally is preventing you from making the wrong trade. You can't make the wrong trade. It won't unless you override all these little things. Okay. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Jacob. Thank you, Grant. Okay, so that's extremely important to know. You have the logo, you have your candles changing color. This is all included in your base system 575 for the year. Period. The BAC are these two lines right here. They're both green. This is the buy stop. I would take a picture of this and only trade it if you see this. Now, how do we get this to remember this? Remember how we do it? Poor Jen Holmes is going to be my example guinea pig this morning. Morning, Jen. This is Jen. The little red means down. Jen is trying to swim to the bottom of the ocean. That's kind of deep. Down to the bottom of the pool. Jen is trying to swim to the bottom of the pool to pick up a penny or a quarter or something. She's trying to dive down to get there. This is the bullshit detector. It's red, which means it's a lie. Jen's not going to make it, but we're going to pretend like she's going to try. So Jen's swimming downward, trying to, in a pool, to pick up a quarter, a penny, a dime, whatever it is. Below Jen, okay, so let's get this example clear. I forgot my little arrows. Let's show you. Jen is trying to dive down right here, that red dot. Below Jen are these real direction bars. Real direction bar 1, right here is below Jen, pushing up. Green means up. 2. Again, Jen trying to go down. These real direction bars are pushing up, and there's a third one right here. So below Jen, there's Grant pushing her up. There's Jacob pushing her up. Good morning, Erica. There's Erica pushing Jen up. So Jen's trying to go down, but the real direction bar 1, 2, 3 are pushing her up. Okay? And above Jen, the box lines are green. So above Jen, we have people pulling Jen up. The box lines are green. So look right here and here. So now we have BCM pulling her up. We have Rich pulling her up. Now we have our real direction bar, which was red here, but now is green above Jen, is green. And that would be Mike Moynihan is pulling her up. And then above, this is so cool. This all works together, I swear. And then above that, we have our orange little EMA above Jen, right? So now we have all this, and that's another person. Let's just say that's Barry. Barry is pulling up Jen. And then above that, we have our logo right here. See our logo, how it's formed? So now look, we have all of these people pulling Jen up. Jen, remember, this is our example. Jen is trying, this is red right here. The BS detector is red. This is Jen trying to dive down to the bottom of a pool. Below Jen, we have 3 people pushing Jen up so she can't go down. Above Jen, we have all these green indicators saying, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. So Jen's trying with all her might to dive down. And I don't think she's going to make it. Who here thinks the trade is going to go down and Jen's going to go down? And who here thinks it's going to go up? Please type out the word up or down. Let's see who wins. Oh, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different things saying up and 1 saying down. Anyone at all? Is Jen going to go down? Is the trade going to go down? Or is the trade going to go up right now? Thank you, Barry. I agree with Barry. Jacob, Grant, yep. Ken, what's up, Ken? Yep, yep, yep. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say that it's going to go up also. But let's wait. It gets better. So while Jen is trying to dive to the bottom of the pool, we come over. This is the 5th, by the way, to recap for everybody. We're doing the 15-minute, 1-hour buy stop in this case on NAS. 15-minute charts, what we just analyzed. Okay. Then we come up. Ken Lauer says up to infinity. I like that. Good morning, Brian Claus. Thank you, Mike Moynihan. Thank you, Ken. Now we're going to go over to the daily. This is our daily, which is the controller one anyway. So let's look over here. On our daily charts, we see the same pattern right here. We see green, real direction bar 1, 2, and 3, green. We see right here, green on the histogram bar. We see the box green here and here. We see the green line on our color changer. We see oranges above. We see the candles are green, and we see our logo again. Also, we have one additional thing right here. Watch this. This is cool, fucking cool. This is when you know you're stumbled onto something right here. It is so freaking cool. I'm sorry, but it is. This right here. This little green dot, which is Jen trying to swim to the bottom, is a missing puzzle piece that fits right inside of here. Wow. That's how you know God blessed this system. No other explanation for what you're witnessing right here. This little green space, green bars with the black space right here with the yellow, is the histogram bars over here. This is a missing puzzle piece, I refer to this. It fits inside of here like this. And there you go. That is yet another up indicator. So now let's go ahead and count these up. We have Jen trying to swim to the bottom, which actually is another version of an up, by the way. So we're going to count this as one of our indicators, 1. Then we have the 3 real direction bars. Then we have the color change, line color change right here. And then we have the 2 box. And then we have the logo. And then we have the orange line above. You come over to here, you have your 3 direction bars. You have your histogram bar, green. You have the fill in the gap, green. You have the box, both bars, green. You have the line color change, green. You have the logo, and you have the orange above, and then you have our candles. So now, as you all can see clearly, we have 20 different indicators that never repaint. None of these ever change. These are all locked in. We have 20 indicators saying buy, that it's going to go up. And poor little Jen's trying to go down. We have 20 different things saying up, 20 different indicators saying up. And we can get up to 31. Keith has coded up to 31 into the system. There's literally, and not figuratively, right now on this screen, 20 different indicators saying this trade is going to go up. So if anyone thought this trade is going to go down, I can't really help you. If there's 20 green indicators saying up. 20 indicators saying up from the daily and the 15-minute combined on NAS. 20 indicators. Thank God this is my client. If anyone thinks that this is a sell, anyone thought this was going to go down. You see how silly that is to me when people say, oh, well, I thought it might go down. Oh, I thought this was going to go down. There's 20 indicators screaming up. Does everybody see how this is what I would call a buy stop? 15-minute daily buy stop. 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. Is this absurdly and unbelievably easy to spot? I don't know what else to tell you guys. If you can't spot this with 20 things screaming at you, 20 green arrows screaming at you, buy, more than NC says it in a Deadpool Wolverine movie. Come on. Come on. I'll wait for people on YouTube. Oh. 7s, this is undeniably screaming at you. We got 1 on YouTube. I'll take it. Thank you, Graham. And there it is. People are going to say, oh, this is too complicated. This is too hard to understand. This is too much. Okay, let's take a look. If that's the case, and some of you still had a hard time understanding this, I simplified the system down to what's called the sniper. And everything I just taught you becomes secondary. What does that mean, secondary? Well, it's not primary. So let's take a look. Everything here, these 20 things, all screaming upward. Some people still had a little hard time seeing that. They were like, well, I'm not sure. They couldn't see the green, 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 red, green, green. So I invented something called the sniper. Let's focus in on that for a moment, shall we? I can't really draw too much on there with that. Might use that for the other one next, right? So the sniper, that's this thing down here, right here. The daily is the controller, so when the blue line is high and the pink line is low, that's when you'll be looking for buy stops. And then when the blue line dips with it, not a lot in this case, this technically would be somewhere around the 5-minute blue line dip, but nonetheless it dips, so it's there. So with this little dip right here, I can show you our logo from here, which is really cool. Also another like holy shit moment when you see it. Blue line goes across, blue line dips, and of course it comes up. Logo here. You can clearly see right here, blue line, pink line low, the dip, and then this is our buy stop right here. Now watch in order of importance, and I have to point this out to people. The sniper is the sole reason why you guys have signals that are so accurate. Sniper clarifies any and all other issues you might have with buy stops yourself. It just clears it. If the daily blue line is high and the pink line is low, right? And then the blue line dips with it and you see your buy stop, it's a buy. As simple as that. I can't make it any clearer. Remember the order now. Remember what I'm telling you. This daily is the most important, is the godlike importance. Number one means this is the most important thing of my system. Number two means this is the second most important thing of my system. Number three means it's the third most important thing of my system. What I just taught you all about the buy stops and sell stops is now the fourth most important thing of the system. The buy stop itself is only a confirmation of 1, 2, and 3. That's all this is. So I simplified all these 20 different indicators down to 4. And all of these are coded in. All of this is coded in to the signal service, which I'll show you in a second. So if you can't follow all the 20, 30 different indicators on the raw system, the original, and you can't follow the sniper, even though it's the easiest thing on earth, then we have a signal service, which I'll show you what that is here in a minute, and how that calls out the trades. Okay, so the sniper, whatever it says, rules over any buy stop or sell stops. It rules over everything. It rules over all the other 20, 30 indicators that we have. The sniper is the absolute godlike type call. If it's calling for a buy on a daily, you would only play the buys on the daily. 5-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. Those are the only things you can do. So until this pink line comes up to the blue, you would play every buy stop on the way up. Am I clear? Yes or no? The sniper is the ruler. This sniper add-on, which by the way, by the end of this month will be $250 unless you're in it. So let's be clear. The sniper rules. Everything else rules. Right? I know it's childish. I don't care. It's the truth. Sniper rules over all other type of indicators you see. If the daily sniper says buy, you will only play a buy. How do you know if it's a buy? If the blue line's high and the pink line's low. Can I make a trading system any easier than these 4 things? I actually did. I have literally made a signal service down to 1 signal line to help you. Oh, good. Yes, yes, yes. Mike Moynihan blowing mine. Thank you, Mike. I think he's done that a few times. All right. Now, Has any of you had an aha moment there? What's up, R. Marcus? Have any of you, has this helped clarify things for you? Sniper is the boss. That is the boss. Baby, that's the boss. Man, that's the boss. Woman, that's the boss. Yes, the sniper is the boss. Has this clarified a few things? Because now I'm going to switch over to the signal service in just a minute and show you if you can't keep track of all these things, if you don't understand how to read things, or if you just want confirmation of the trade you're seeing. I made it so that you can literally have one signal. One signal. It'll be a signal that combines over 30 different indicators into a signal. Did this explanation help anybody? Yes, it did. Or did this explanation not help anybody? Because let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to show you something quick. Watch. Let's go over again. 30 different things saying yes to you. Hold on 1 second. I don't know how far back I can do this, but it's something interesting. Okay. 30 different things saying yes to you. What's up, Casey? Or, let's take a look. Or, what do you guys find easier? Trading raw like this, right? Or having your little indicators. Raw with nothing, or the indicators telling you 30 times what to do, a buy. Raw with nothing, or 30 indicators telling you what to do, a buy, including a signal right there. I see, I didn't know I left that one on. A correct signal, I might add. And yes. So only one person, Brian? Okay, I can live with that. But this is how, again, this is, I understand that a lot of you are experienced with me and this is simple for you guys. I get that. But a lot of people are new here that watch this and they have to understand that if you're trying to trade raw with nothing on your charts, you might as well just fucking throw darts, I guess, and hope for the best. Or you can have 30 different indicators telling you what to do. None or 30. None or 30 things telling you to do a buy. To me, it's like such a no-brainer. I don't understand. Well, I think I'd rather have it like this. Really? I don't know. I'm going to go with the lot. All right. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, D-Man. Thank you, Trey Gun. Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Brian. I mean, I'm not looking for sympathy votes. I'm just saying, excuse me, common sense. I don't know what to say. Now, if some of you, and some of you are, have trouble seeing all these things, well, no worries. Thanks to the great Keith Palmer, the man, the myth, the legend, you have signals. We have lower time frame signals, meaning if you like trading the 30 seconds, 1 minute, we have those. We have hourly, daily signals. So if you like trading those, we have those. We have Holy Grail. We just, whatever you want, whatever time period you want. It's utterly amazing when you see this. So let's come over here. We're going to come over to here. And come back over to there. And okay. And now let's go back over to here. There we go. You have to have the right signals on the right time period for it to see. It's 15 minutes. We had to go down to the 15-minute lower time frame ones. All right. And here it is. Now you can see these blue lines are firing off, and let's take a look at this. Right here. Watch. From the time, right, the pink goes to this blue, watch how many of these signals are called. Every time you see one of these signals, it's taking into consideration over 30 different indicators, whether it should be called or not. And then you can see them as they're called. Look at both. Look here and watch this right here. Watch this pink line go up. Watch this pink line go up. As it goes up, watch all the blue signals fire. So you can use this to learn and see if your signal reading is correct of the system. And watch. See, there it is again, still going up. And there's some more going up. You see it? So the signal service can confirm your trades for you. And I didn't think that was going to be the case with the majority of you, so I was very hesitant to give you signals because I'm trying to teach you all how to fish. But the reality is you guys really impressed me, really happily impressed me. We all started using the signal service to confirm what you're learning. I was like, holy no fucking shit, no way on that. And yep, you were. So this is how you can go from a raw no signals, no indicators chart on a daily 15-minute to using the daily 15-minute. Now, where would you go in on the trades? I can show you all that too. Look how easy this is. Buy stops, sell stops are very simple. You control your buy stop until you stay in the trade until on the daily, the pink goes up and touches the orange blue. Then you close one trade down, leave one open. If you want to know entry, you'd go off of either the orange line if it goes in between here or the yellow line on the daily. That's how I would do my entrances. Some people mistakenly think daily 15-minute, I'm going to go in on the 5-minute. That's bullshit and wrong. The correct entry would be off, if you're doing a daily trade, would be off the daily. You can use a 15-minute, you can use a 5-minute, you can use a 1 hour. Hell, I bounced one off of a 4 hour the other day when I called it for you. But the reality is you should call a daily 15-minute and enter it off the 15-minute orange line or the yellow. And you would hold the trade until the pink comes up to the blue. Your first take profit, you would close one down when it touches it. You'd leave the other one open until, well, whenever you want to stop, I guess, making money because it's going to go up for a while. Because it's going to repeat it again right here to here. So where you entry is here. Take profit is when the daily comes all the way back up. Close one down, leave one open. The reason you take the trade is because I gave you 20 different reasons why you would take the buy stop, or you can use the signal service. So this is how you do a daily 15-minute buy. And there's your entrances on your signals. You have multiple entrances on this a whole bunch of times. So when the signals turn blue and they send it out to the Discord room, you take the trade. This is how you trade a daily 15-minute. Is it, if everybody fundamental, yes, correct. Indicators all the way. Thank you, Ken. 30 for sure. All right. Is everybody happy with that explanation? This was asked to be the example of a daily 15-minute. On a scale from 1 to 10, do you guys give that explanation a 10? If not, or higher, what would you like me to add to that? If it's anything below a 10, feel free. That's one a blue line getting closer. Nice, Evan. Thank you, Evan. We'll get back to some trading stuff in a minute. I don't know if I'm going to stay on through open though. We'll see. Kind of when Keith gets up soon, so I can start to talk to him a little. 10.5 says Rich on Hicks. You're funny. JL Haba. What's up, JL? 10 by 10. Nice. Nice. Okay. Just want to make sure we reach you guys. If you want consistent profits through trading, here you go. Some people are like, here it is. You don't know what to do? Buy the damn signal service then. Let me see something here. Maybe I can't do this. Someone said you can see both at the same time, but even if we can't, I'm going to show you guys what I love doing this. Might as well do it right here since we're not working with this. Okay, this is our first call. All right. We're going to draw a line right here. The line that you see right here is a machine gun line, by the way, but this line right here that you see, anything past that when one of our blue signals comes up is a buy until this comes up. So what we're going to do is a replay. Morning, Jay. So we're going to do what's called a, let's go to here. Oops. Sure hope we can see it though. Sometimes when I go these higher time frames, I like to go really low. Anytime you see a blue line, there we go. We're going to enter in a buy on NAS. We're going to hold that buy on NAS. So here it is. This is real life signals. This is from the signal service. And just watch what you're about to see. So we're going to hold this buy. This is your money. We're going to hold the buy until this pink line goes up to here. Matter of fact, I'm probably going to hold it a little longer than that too. To show you if we close one and close down. I forgot how to do that. That's what I'm sure. All right, so watch. We're going to play this back. This is live. This is your money. This is, we're going to hold the trade until you see it come up. The little dash thing right here is going to be the live line. We're going to watch it until that pink line goes up and touches the blue. Watch your money. Just watch it. It's psychotic how accurate it is. I'm going to have to shrink this. Hold on 1 second. It went off the screen. It got so big. So this right here is your money. This is what we're watching to go up to here. I'm going to actually hold it a little bit beyond that. That's just for my purposes. So you can see the dash line going up. As it's going up, watch your profit go up. Watch the pink go to the blue. I'm having trouble seeing my call out signals on my charts. You have to uninstall and reinstall them, Ken. It's weird how that does it. Good morning, Filio. Good morning, Mike Snyder. What's up, Mike? You can see it's still going and it's still calling out signals. I didn't take any of the signals, but the entrance is immediately upon the call out. You take the trade. You re-enter the trade as many times as you like, as long as the pink line is going up to the blue, which is what I'm showing you over there, that second bottom purple arrow. It's taking forever, isn't it? All right, I'm going to speed this up. Although I could watch this shit all day. Let's go ahead and speed it up a little bit. See if I can go a little faster. Still holding until the pink on the daily goes up and touches. No, I might have speeded up times 10. Hold on. Okay, that might be a little fast. Look how hyper it is. Another buy, by the way, coming up. Shit, that's possible. There we go. Still going up. Now the first sell, the first sell we're going to have is right here. I would close down some. So let's pause it. Let's sell some. We'll sell like 500. And then I would keep the others going. Oh shit, that caused a sell. That caused a sell. My bad. Well, you guys get the idea. We held it until it got up to here. We make our first partial sell, or you close down one contract, keep one open, and let it run. How long do you let it run for? Until greed overtakes you, I guess. I'd be careful. I would move my take profit to up where it's supposed to be and then let it hit it. And I'd leave it open for months. On a daily, you can definitely leave it open for weeks, if not months, and let it hold. But anyhow, that's what that is. See, then it calls the cells also for you. All right, let's go back to having some fun. And done with the training, unless somebody has any questions. Anybody have questions over any of that? Did that answer? Who was it? It wasn't Ori. Who was the gentleman that was asking for the time frame? Gee whiz, I don't remember. Let's see. Who was it that was having weekly, daily? Nathan. Nathan, was that a good enough explanation for you, sir? And does anybody have any questions? And if Ken, you're still having trouble with your charts or the signals, go ahead and send in an email, nicely worded email. We can forward that to Keith to get that straightened out for you. Hopefully that explained a few things for everybody. Should have got to answer Katie's stuff today. I missed 1 week. Oh no, Kate. On another day. Anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments over all that? Anyone at all? All right. Thank you, Brian. Appreciate it. All right, guys, here we go. I don't know how long I'm going to stay on. I'll make a couple more call outs for you guys. I think I'm going to hit it. I think I'm done. I'm tired. I may come back on and trade through open. I may not. Let me see here. What's our little cheat sheet? Ooh, sell on NAS. Let's see. 30-second. Let's see. Oh, you call little NAS SPX. Interesting. Nope. I like this. Something is not adding up. What is not adding up? Sell NAS 5-second to the 1-second blue line. Sell SPX to the 10-second or 15-second blue line. I want to sit here for a second. I'll sit here with you guys. You're welcome, Jacob. I didn't like trading crypto. Well, Ken, welcome to the anti-crypto club. No, I just hold it on crypto. I got in early and the sniper said it was the wrong time to enter. I'd listened to the sniper, Ken. Good morning, Fidge. Did it anyway for shits and giggles. Careful of that shits and giggles, unless it's demo. Let's see Naz. Let's see. Naz should be coming down here in about a few seconds. Let me see something. Yeah, in about 30 seconds to a minute here. Let's see. We should see this come down. I don't know if we're low enough here yet, high enough here yet to hook on the purple. That's my only issue. This is foot room. All right, so let's see. Naz, play any 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second. I'll stop towards, I think hit the 1 minute blue line. SPX, Lord help us, and US 30, Lord help us. This is a solid 15 second. Yep. Now, higher time frame buys? Sure, absolutely. Should already been in a 3 minute, 5 minute buy. I think we're falling down to the 15. Nope, 10 minutes. No, maybe 15. Yeah. 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop on NAS. 15-minute, 1 hour buy on NAS. It's too late. It's already 15-minute, 1 hour on SPX. You're already in that trade. But I want to see if we can pull this 1 minute down. Yeah, see, there we go. So the only sell, which is ironic, super ironic that SPX is not following. Actually, kind of weird. You can play the super short sell on NAS, or you can do a longer time period buy, which I would recommend the buy on NAS. Just trying to get you guys some short-term money here. Hit it. At 4 minute, I was losing, but everything indicates it will go up. Left it going, went back to sleep. In the morning, I was starting to show. But nice, Ken, nice. There's your pull down right there on NAS. 1 minute towards its blue line. I think you're actually going to see this flip and going all the way down and touch it now. I said within the minute. I think I got that right. All right. I'll probably be back on later today, do some more call outs with you guys. I would look for the buy stop on NAS to click in around open if I'm not up with you, which I probably won't be. All right. Good luck. TikTokers, God bless. Have a good day if I don't see you a little later. Talk to y'all later on TikTok. God bless. YouTubers. Let's see what we got over here on YouTube. Hit up 10,000 pounds trusted. Nice, Ken. Yay. Ken, congratulations, my friend. Yay. All right. YouTubers, God bless you too. I should be on a little later, maybe. We'll see. Amen, Ken. That's the #1 statement you've ever right there. Get out of your way and trust the system. Amen to that.